One evening, a 18-year-old boy looked at his father and asked calmly, "Dad, how much do you earn in 1 hour?" The father, exhausted from work, replied without much thought, "Why do you want to know?" "I was just curious." $20, the father said. The boy hesitated, then asked, "Can you give me $10? Annoyed, the father snapped, "I already gave you money yesterday. Go to your room, it's late." The boy quietly walked away. Later that night, guilt filled the father's heart. Maybe he needs it for school or something important. He went to his son's room and handed him $10. The boy looked up, opened his wallet, and placed the money next to another $10. The father was confused. "You already had money. Why did you ask me?" The boy held the bills in his hands, looked into his father's eyes, and said softly, "Dad, you said 1 hour of your time is worth $20. I just wanted to buy 1 hour with you." The room fell silent. Lesson: money can be earned again, but time with your child, once lost, never returns.